Welcome back everybody to our VictoryXR Academy tutorial series. In this video we're going to learn how to create a session. So here we are on the main menu. I'm going to go ahead and go to Start Session. And you can either choose to have the session start off in one of Engage's public rooms, or you can navigate to the VictoryXR tab and you'll see our exclusive rooms. You'll have access to those too. So I'm gonna choose to start it in the science lab. And here you'll have the choice to have it be just you. So when you click that, it'll just start the session and you'll go right in and it'll be just you. This is great for teachers who want to go in and set up your classroom beforehand, and we'll go over how to do that in a later video, so hang tight there. But for now, we're going to go to With Others, and we're going to have some options here. We can choose what the session is going to be called. You can choose to have a password, and you can choose to have it be publicly listed. So if I have it have no password and be publicly listed, then that means that anyone on the planet who sees it on the public tab is going to be able to join it, and you may not want that to happen. So you can set a password. You could also just choose to list it in the group sessions, so it'll appear under the VictoryXR tab. I'll show you where that'll show up. So if you go to Join Session, if you're a student joining a session, you'll find it under the VictoryXR tab instead. So that's another option you have. Now, a session, when you start a session, the moment you hit start, it'll be live. So your students will be able to see it under either the public tab or under the VictoryXR tab if you specified it that way. Or you can have it be unlisted, and then you can keep track of the session ID that's created when you start the session, and you can say to whomever you want to join the session, hey, here's the session ID, and then when they want to join the session, you can do join session by ID, and then you can just enter that session ID, and then they'll join in. Now, next in our tutorial series, we're going to show you how to instead create a scheduled event, which is probably the ideal way to set up a class session for an upcoming day. So I'll see you in the next video.